What counts as proof of residency beyond standard bills? Imagine trying to open a bank account or prove where you live without having a utility bill in your name. It can be tricky, but there are many other ways to show where you resided. When you need proof of residency, the first thing most people think of is a utility bill. But if you do not have one, don't worry. Several other documents can do the job. For example, a government-issued identification card with your current address is widely accepted. This includes a driver's license, state identification card, or a realid card that meets federal standards. A signed lease or rental agreement is another strong proof. Even if your utility bills are in someone else's name, a lease with your name and address confirms you live there. Make sure the lease is recent, usually within the last 3 months, and signed by both you and your landlord. Bank statements or credit card statements that show your name and address are also useful. These documents are often accepted when you are building credit or managing your money. Be sure they are recent, ideally from the last 2 or 3 months. Official mail from government agencies counts too. Letters from the tax office, Social Security Administration, or immigration services addressed to you at your current address can serve as proof. Keep these documents recent and clearly show your full name and address. Employment documents such as pay stubs or employment verification letters are helpful as well. These should include your name and current address and are especially useful if you are working in the country and managing visa expenses. School records or transcripts with your address can be accepted if you or your family member are attending school. These documents should be official and recent. Immigration papers like the employment authorization document, green card, or notices from the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services often include your address or can support your residency claim. An affidavit of residency is a notarized letter from someone you live with, such as a landlord or employer. This letter states you resided at a specific address and can be used if other documents are unavailable. Health insurance cards or medical bills addressed to your residence are also valid proof. Keep in mind that these documents should be recent and clearly show your name and address. Vehicle registration or titles with your address are additional options. These are official documents that can confirm your residency. For immigrants, these alternatives are especially helpful when standard bills are not available. They can help you open bank accounts, apply for credit cards, or prove your address for visa or legal purposes. Always ensure your documents are recent, usually within the last 2 to 3 months. Having multiple types of proof can strengthen your case when applying for financial services or legal processes. In summary, proof of residency is not limited to utility bills. It includes government-issued IDs, lease agreements, bank statements, official government correspondence, employment and school records, immigration papers, affidavits, and other official documents. These options are especially useful for newcomers managing their finances and fulfilling legal or visa requirements in the United States.